Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will analyze the performance of Bank Nifty. For it was quite a sad day for the people who always keep in mind of bullish trend. Still, we are not unsafe. We are safe because Bank Nifty still managed to keep the levels of 43,000 in today's session. So apart from that, let's look at the beginning means where Bank Nifty started earlier in the morning. So well, as I suggested yesterday, Bank Nifty will be opening around the levels of the previous last session trade levels. So it was quite the same, somewhere around 43,300 mark. Initial first candle showed the signs of green, but the levels which we gave in the last week of 43,300 and the second level of 43,500. So Bank Nifty tried to break that level twice in a day, but failed to keep the momentum, and unfortunately Bank Nifty moves in the trajectory of below 43,200. We are safe. I'm saying we are safe because Bank Nifty is still holding the levels of 43,000, which is the base level which I have marked in the previous few session. 43,000 is a reversal zone for now, and it will remain the same. The movement which Bank Nifty showed today is not any kind of news based or any global cues. It was just you can say kind of finance Nifty's expiry. So during the expiry, most of the calls, sell calls, is observed, and this is what the situation looks like now. Uh, Bank Nifty touched 43,500 thrice today, and sometimes it kept above that also, but failed to hold the momentum. And after 140, the market went down and touched the pivot of 43,160, and somewhere in the last it tried to breach that one else also, but it failed to breach, and the level stuck somewhere around 43,171, which is again a good sign to uh, get some move tomorrow. For tomorrow, I'm pretty much sure that the Bank Nifty will show some moments in the green trajectory tomorrow. Tomorrow is Wednesday, and day after tomorrow expiry, so maybe tomorrow we see a range bound session again in between the levels of 43 200 or 43, maybe 43,000 to 43,300. So this we will see in the morning itself. Currently the futures is trading in negative, and also Bank Nifty is 0.3% down from the yesterday's high. SGX is in green right now, and hopefully in the morning SGX remains green, so that we'll see some movement in the first half of the trade sessions. Uh, Picture is pretty much clear till now. The levels of 43,000 was the one which was expected, which got again regained yesterday, and it looks like the momentum towards the all-time high is quite possible in the upcoming sessions. For the levels for tomorrow, just keep in mind the opening will be most important. If there is a gap up of 200 or 150 or maybe 100 points, then definitely again try to uh, regain the levels which we have suggested 2 days back, that are 43 300 and 43 500 something, 531. So these two levels will be under observation in the upper side for tomorrow. And all-time high level is the one last level, which is I think in the 2 days time not possible, but maybe in the coming few weeks we will see that level if everything went on a positive note. For the downside, we still have 43,000 as our 43,000 as our base level. Breach of 43 will result in a uh, kind of bloodbath which we saw on Friday. So we are actually not expecting this to happen, because already the lot of correction has been done, and Bank Nifty digested the news of HDFC merger and all. So I'm pretty much sure that that should be not a case to feel uh, unsafe. So maintain the levels at 43,000. If at all Bank Nifty try to touch 43,000 tomorrow, and if it remains within that level, uh, if it touches and then remains at that level for around 30 to 1 hour, 30 minutes to 1 hour, then definitely take a trade of buy side at the rate 43,000. The target levels will be the same, 43 300 and 43 500. And if Bank Nifty goes down beyond 43,000 and it remains in that region for 1 hour or so, then our the levels will be 43 900, 43 700, and sorry, 42 900, 42 700, and 42 500. Means still support 2 we have, we can have a fall for tomorrow. And if not, then definitely our movement will be towards 43 500, 45 43 300. So this is quite expected from the, yeah, tomorrow session. If at all there is a range bound, then definitely the range will be 43 to 43 300. So this is the analysis and suggestions for tomorrow. Take a trade very wisely, because expiry is near, and don't try to hold anything for Thursday, as we know that premium decay will happen. So try to book the profits tomorrow itself, and for the expiry we will again meet tomorrow in the night, and we will try to analyze and find the levels where we can take great trades, and can make some profits. So for now it's pretty much clear now, and let's meet tomorrow. But before that, I will request all of you to like and share my videos, subscribe to my channel, and ask others as well to subscribe to stay updated with all the current news related to Bank Nifty. So till then, goodbye, have a great night, thank you.